So the final Minnie Mouse piñata is pull string piñata. First I will show you on the top. Here I have done the 2 holes and kept the string out of it. You can hang it somewhere so that kids can pull it. Now I have done this paper bow. You can use cardboard or anything like that, or paint it. And as this is a Minnie Mouse bow, okay. And here is the string I made. This wool I have used for string. You can use ribbon or else anything like that. And you can put the confetti over here. You can put the confetti, and here confetti will stay in this, and when you pull it, the confetti will come down.